Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an admin to your Wix website. This is a great way to collaborate with team members and give them access to manage your site. Now let's get started. In your Wix website dashboard, all we have to do is click on Settings. You can find Settings on the left side of your dashboard. Here you can see it right away. Just click on it. Then we need to scroll down to General. As you can see here, we just have to click on Roles and Permissions. Now watch closely. Here, we just have to click on Invite Collaborators. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. For example, we can use this one. Now, you can make this person an admin by clicking this option. This sets the role as admin. You can uncheck this option if you do not want to give this permission. Then click Send Invite. Once the invitation is accepted, this person will become the admin of your Wix website. And that's how we add an admin to your Wix website. With this simple setup, you can easily manage your site with others and keep everything running smoothly.